In this video, I will show you how to use Scribbr, the citation generator. The first thing you want to do is make sure you change the citation style. We will be using MLA 9. So scroll until you see it. MLA 9th edition. Always double check that you have set this to MLA 9th edition so that you are doing it correctly. Next, you are going to take your URL, so you want the whole part, and you're going to paste it into the bar here, and you're going to hit cite. It's going to give you a citation, but you need to double check. First, you're going to hit edit. Then, you're going to make sure your source type is correct, usually a web page. You're going to double check your title, and you're going to double check the info, because a lot of times it misplaces it. You can use your paper where you collected information for your sources. You can also check back on your website. In this case, if we look, it didn't put the website name, so we're gonna put it up here, World Health Organization. There is no author on this page. If we were to look, they do not list a specific author, so the generator got that wrong. And these aren't perfect because it just scans the page and picks up where it thinks it is, but again, it's not as good as a human, so we have to check it. So there's no author. Publication date, you got that correct. Access date, this is really important. You have to do this part because it will not put it on there for you. So you set it as the date. I always hit set today, and then you can change the date to match what day you accessed the source originally. All right, the URL is in here, so now you can update source. Okay, if we look, it's here. You can copy it, or if you look down here and you're doing all your sources at once, you can keep going. So because they'll alphabetize them down here for you. So you can do your next one by simply putting your next URL. Again, make sure you do the whole thing into search bar, hitting site, hitting edit, and double checking. This one did not have an author either. It got those correct. Year, let's double check. I don't believe this one had an update, but I will double check. It did. Okay, this one, it missed it. It's October 14th, 2022. So we're gonna add that. All right, access date, set that to the day you accessed it, and then we're gonna update. So it makes it a lot easier because it does do all the formatting for you, but it's not a miracle worker. You have to check. All right, we're gonna do the last one. Double check the year before I do this one. Okay. All right, this one doesn't have an author or a year, so we'll put it in here. We're gonna hit edit. All right, and again, so it did not do super right. We'll put our access date on here now. But again, we need to double check this. So the Oops. We need to double check and change this to Medline plus National Library of Medicine. Okay, because they're not the author. That is just, it's just the website name. We could add organization too, but all right, we're going to update source. And as you notice down here, it puts them in alphabetical order. So you can also filter it. Okay, sort. It says default. We can put it in alphabetical order by going title A to Z, and it's going to alphabetize it for you. Then you're going to select all three sources. You're going to copy to clipboard, and you can paste that into your works cited document. Another cool thing is here, this in-text citation button. It shows you how to use these in-text citations when you are, it shows you the parenthetical. So that means that'd be that in-text citation that you write on your paper and then you put on your poster board. Another option, if you want, is up here. It says cite manually under the cite button, especially if like it says your web page is not available when you search it. And you can select the type of source. Most of you have web pages. If you're unsure, you can ask if it's a journal article or an online newspaper article. I'm going to hit web page, and then you can manually type in all your information and cite the source. So that's an option too, because you've collected all that info from your source. Okay? Then you can copy and paste those on your document and make sure